Hey guys, I'm finally gonna start my engine swap today. It took a while, but we're here now. I've seen Johnny do his 1jz engine swap on his Mk3 Supra. I've watched and helped, and by help I mean hold light for him and pass him tools and stuff. So I think I have a pretty good idea what to do. Anyways, today I'm just gonna be draining my fluids, engine, transmission, and coolant. I'm also going to start taking out little things here and there. If I have more time, we'll see. I guess I'm gonna be sharing you guys the process. So please wish me luck. So here we're just taking that out, and we decided to take out the fenders as well, but we realized there's so many bolts and screws. We were like, nope, we're not doing that today. We just left it on.
The hydraulic jack, that's his name, Jack. Jack!
Come on, Jack.
Come on, Jack. 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 Yo, this car's heavy, bro. This car looks dead right now, bro. Life support right now.
Oh my gosh.
She's like, yo, I'm dying. 3 hours later. Oh, okay.
Hold on.
Put back the gloves, okay?
Like the Jack. Jack.
Damn, son.
Oh, I need gloves.
Gloves or what? That's good. Thank you. Pauline, I don't think that's a big enough. Oh shit, Pauline.
Oh my gosh.
Pauline, that's not big enough. Oh my god, it's coming out. I'm joking. Look, just move it to the. Bomba! Mash up the car!
You can't really see Johnny, but he's draining the transmission oil back there. Here I'm showing you the coolant, and I'm showing you where it is, and there it is.
Oh, that is so not good. This is a turbo. Damn. Yo, look at this. This is how bad the turbo is. Wow, that's incredible. That's why you have no boost. All the oil is coming out of the seals. Imagine how that unit cooler is right now. That's insane.
Thank you so much for watching. We didn't really do much in this part, but Hopefully in part 2 we'll be able to take out the engine. So stay tuned. Bye.